The purpose of this tutorial is to extract information from local directories for our database. I've opened up two browser windows, Mozilla and Chrome. The reason I'm using two browser windows is so I can use the Alt and Tab feature to switch between windows quickly when I'm copying and pasting the information. So first of all, we'll go up to the browser bar, and the directory I'm looking for is Yellow Pages, so I just type in yellow and press enter. And now I'm ready to search for the type of business I'm looking for. I'm looking for electricians in Auckland, so in the what I type in electrician. In the where I type in Auckland. As you see, it's given me suggestions, so I'll select Auckland region and press find. And there have been 643 results for electricians in Auckland. The first three results are paid ads, which I want to ignore. As you see further down, it has shown all the electricians in the Auckland region. However, I want to be able to search for them in alphabetical order. So therefore, I find to the A to Z drop down, and I'm going to select A, so I'm going to work with all the electricians starting with the letter A. The paid advertisements will be displayed at the top again, so we ignore them and come down further. And this time you will see that all I have got is electricians starting with the letter A. So from the first one, I'll position my cursor slightly before the beginning of the company name and drag my mouse across. I'll press Ctrl and C to copy, and then I'll go to my database spreadsheet on the other browser, click on the row that I want to put the information in, and then do Ctrl and V to paste the information. Now I'll use Alt and Tab to go back to the other window, and I'll scroll down further. Now as you see, the phone number is slightly obscured, so if I click on the phone number, it then switches it to a Skype number. I only want to get the number, I don't want to actually go into Skype, so I drag my mouse from the right hand side across to only select the number, and I press Ctrl and C, Alt and Tab to go back to my database, and press Ctrl and V to post the telephone number. Alt and Tab to go back to the directory, and then I move on to the next one, positioning the cursor before the company name, swiping it across, Ctrl and C, Alt and Tab to go back to my database, selecting the field, Ctrl and V to paste, Alt and Tab to go back to the directory, clicking on the phone number, highlighting the phone number only, Ctrl and C, Alt and Tab, Ctrl and V to paste, Alt and Tab to go back to the directory. This next one also has a link to a website, so we want to capture that information too. So first of all, we highlight the company name again, Ctrl and C, Alt and Tab, Ctrl and V to paste it into the spreadsheet, Alt and Tab back to the directory, copying the phone number only, Ctrl and C, Alt and Tab back to the spreadsheet on the other browser, Ctrl and V to paste the phone number, Alt and Tab back to the directory, and this time we want to get the website, so we just position across the URL, Ctrl and C, Alt and Tab, and put that into this database as well. Go on to the next company and carry on until you've exhausted all of the A's, and then when you have finished with all the A's, then you would come up to undo your refined search, and then you can then select another letter from the drop down A to Z menu. In this case we go to B. So you would carry on doing all the data entry in the same fashion. I hope this has been helpful. Have a great day.